Welcome to a quick tutorial on the trimStart method in JavaScript. This powerful string method helps clean up user input by removing unwanted whitespace. Developers use it when processing form data, parsing strings, or preparing text for display. TrimStart examines the beginning of a string and removes all whitespace characters, including spaces, tabs, and line breaks. It works by scanning from the start until it finds the first non-whitespace character and then returns a new string starting from that point. Unlike trim, which removes from both ends, TrimStart only affects the beginning. You'll use TrimStart when validating form inputs to ensure no leading spaces interfere with processing. It's also essential when parsing configuration files or API responses where whitespace might cause parsing errors. Now let's see how this code works. First, we start by creating a string variable with leading and trailing spaces. This simulates raw user input that often contains unwanted whitespace. Then, we call the trimStart method on our user input string. This method only removes whitespace from the beginning of the string, leaving any trailing spaces intact. Then, we log the trimmed result to the console to verify that the leading spaces have been removed while the trailing spaces remain. Finally, the output shows the string with leading spaces removed, demonstrating that trimStart only affects the beginning of the string. Comment which JavaScript method you want me to cover next. Like if this was helpful. Follow for daily coding tips.